Hi everyone, have you ever tried to make Grinch green royal icing and it turns out muddy, neon or just plain ugly? Well, today I'm showing you the perfect Grinch green royal icing color, so no more ugly greens. So let's get started. Why green icing is so tricky? Green is one of the hardest royal icing colors to get right. Too much yellow, it looks lime, and too much blue, it turns steel. And if you start with the wrong base, you will never get the classic green shade. The secret is starting with the base formula using a color wheel, and from that, you can adjust it correctly to your liking. Here is my go-to Grinch green formula. I will use leaf green, lemon yellow, and coal black. This color works beautifully for outlines, flooding, and even texture piping. I have my food gel color ready and I am going to use a wooden stick to add it to my icing. Pro tip, make sure your icing is at the final consistency before adjusting the color. If you thinner it after coloring, you will change the shade and may end up with, yes, you guessed it right, an ugly green. Start with 4 parts of lemon yellow gel color, one part of leaf green, then add the smallest touch of black, and I mean tiny. It is one of my favorite parts of cookie decorating, creating new colors. I love the changes on the icing. Always mix and let it sit for a minute and check the color again. Icing darkens as it rests. And here is our perfect Grinch green royal icing every time. Now let's cover this cookie. If you want to master royal icing consistency, color mixing, and cookie decorating step by step, check out the links below. And this is it for today, guys. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you are new here in my channel, don't forget to subscribe and push the notification button, and see you next time. Bye bye.